Hello, this drum filter 5 cubometer for 1 hour is ready. Today we package and send for customer in US, Nick Jahal. Now I show how look. Open, have light, turn left, work drum and pump together. This right only, move only motor, work on the motor. This service mode, right and left. If you want clean, change, look everything work. Middle, this automatic lock, he must stay every time like this. This is very important. Middle lock, automatic lock. Now I show. This sensor, when he up, all system open. Yeah, okay, and stop. I can open this. And show what have inside. Okay. Yes. Inside sensor. When water mesh dirty and water up, sensor move up too. And look, pump, motor, water clean, and all dirty water come here, go outside. This you connect this left, right, and everything work. Yes, okay. Show again one time. Open and here work. This I connect on the one hand, but these two can do. Take this and yes, dirty water after fish you connect here. This put inside maybe 5 centimeter for important for water come to inside mesh. This is important. Yes, okay. Check. After filter, water cleaner have two places. This place outside and this place. If you need only just one, you can close. Yes, and use only one, no problem. Okay, this all. Thank you.